Hello everyone, this is Zach from Trade VSA. So today, this short video here, I'm going to cover three counters that requested from the YouTubes there. Okay, so we got Karyon, Kpower, and GUH. So for those that who want us to include the stock next, okay, in the next video, do comment in this video below. Okay, we're gonna pick up the stocks and we're gonna do a quick study and review. Okay, so today this chart here I have Karyon Industry. Okay, so let's first study this counter first. So okay, now let's look into a weekly chart because by looking into long term, what is the direction overall of this chart over here? So okay, by looking into weekly chart, okay, so it seems like there is a big upthrust. Okay, now currently holding on the resistance, but overall I think is in a very good trend. Okay, but just that usually like I said, when you got a big upthrust, there's a problem because it's going to take a while, okay, for them to cross, especially for those counters that in the uptrend. Okay, usually if let's say the uptrend is wide, the volume is big, then you're going to take some time. Okay, so in this case here, this is like back to last year August. Okay, until now it actually still testing somewhere around this area. Okay, but the support is pretty strong. Okay, so this is the low of the UT. Okay, we got Sarah NS. Okay, now seems like the over 40 is holding well at the moment. Okay, so support there definitely is good. Okay, but just that, like I said, usually got the UT, it need to do some testing, shakeout, testing, shakeout. Okay, so that is pretty normal. Okay, just that it give you ideas that you probably need to hold for it sometimes. Okay, now let's go back to the daily chart. Okay, so this is where the UT is. Okay, and we got a false breakout forming another UT on the weekly. Okay, UT. Okay, so seems like current supports. I don't see any major weakness. Of course, the top there. Okay, the volume is still pretty strong on the weakness side. So expect some sort like a sideways movement. Okay, but overall trend, I believe is still good. Okay, it's just that expect some wash a little bit. All these kind of things. Okay, so if you're looking for entry, not so sure you're looking for entry exit. So it's always good to look for sound strength. Buy close to sound strength, I think, which is pretty close right now. Okay, near to trend 40 is nice. Okay, so let's say break trend 40 is got any further sound weakness, probably you just want to exit from the trade first. Okay, if you're looking for short term. So okay, now let's go to Kpower. Kpower is a downtrending counters, obviously. Okay, but it actually comes with a very nice volume. Okay, to stop the overall downtrend. Okay, so if you look um into here, this Kpower. Okay, so long term wise, again the trend line is a little bit of lagging, but somehow how I do it is that I use the bottom. Let's say cross. This is representing that the overall trend is weakening. Okay, but in this case, it actually really break the middle parts. Okay, previously. Okay, so again, let's go into volume. This is the highest volume on the week. Okay, so after this volume appeared, the trend have changed, obviously. Okay, going into accumulations right now. Okay, so if this kind of trades, I still believe that the weakness bar is still a bit close. Okay, so maybe it's good for you to monitor for a short-term opportunities. Okay, so usually let's say the trend is in downtrend, and if you're looking for some trades, best is you want to combine the daily and the hourly chart. Okay, now a few things over here for Kpower. High volume followed by 2NS. Okay, so representing change of trend come with immediate support. Yesterday bar crossed 2040s. Okay, so maybe we will see a slight reversals very soon. Okay, so let's look into the hourly chart. Okay, so hourly chart is the one that gives us the opportunity to trade maybe in short terms. Okay, so let's look into here. We got the pierce resistance area. Okay, so this is the area that you want to look for the sound strength. Okay, so let's say the sound strength are coming in. I don't know, maybe it's like NS. Okay, maybe it's like it turns to red Pentagon, turns back to green Pentagon. You can use that as well. TSP. Okay, it's good sign to have too. Okay, in this area. Okay, we got a T. Okay, but it doesn't really hold well because it's far from trend 40s. Now remember, if you have attended the tutorial videos, the 7-day tutorial video, we do talk about the test bar. Test bar should not use purely itself. Okay, you need to come with some combination. Okay, now let's go to the last one for this video here. We got GUH. GUH overall still at this NS. Again, the problem is the UT. So this kind of counters, if you really want to trade best is that you buy near support, sell towards the resistance, okay, because of the UTs that represent just still sellers. Okay, so this UT here, I think this is the bar that I exit previously. It's still come with high volume, so most of the time they come back to support, retest, or maybe do a shakeout before they go back to the resistance. Okay, weekly chart wise, I think should not be an issue. Again, same things happening. We got some high volume here. Okay, after a big drop, high volume, increasing volume. Okay, so again, sometimes let's say you can see the volumes that you just hide the current volume or the highest volume, you know that this is the high volume at a particular time. Okay, so this is representing there's chance for the change of trends coming. Okay, now same things like the first counter Karyon. Okay, it come with a UT high volume too, but it doesn't come with confirmation, so expect some sideway. Okay, sometimes it takes months, like Karyon it takes almost a year to move within the range, okay, before it come with more sound strength. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this video. Again, if you got any other stocks that you want me to cover in the next video, do comment below. Okay, I will cover it in the next section. Okay, thank you.